work for you. This combo we're going to learn is the move I just demonstrated, and then we're going to tack on another move to the beginning to create an even cooler flavor. Let's get started. So thumb pointing down to the ground, hoop out to the side, nice open arm, nice strong grip, and then just kind of relax, have a little swingy swing. That's it. You can bring the other arm in if you want. You can get it out of the way. You can have it dangling like it doesn't know what to do. It's totally up to you. I like to pretend that I'm giving myself a little cuddle and then open. The other nice thing to play with here, just while we're doing a little swing, is to let the leg come up and follow the hoop. Or you can just stay in swingy swing. Entirely up to you. We are going to swing and stop the hoop when it's directly across our body, bicep in line with the chin. Mwah. You could give it a little mwah kiss if you want. From here, we're going to let the hoop come onto the back of the hand, fingers point behind, and the hoop hangs in the back body. So the hoop is across my body, see? Across. Then I'm going to drop it down onto the back of my hand, fingers pointing behind me. So from here to here, fingers pointing behind. Once you're in that position, you need to carry yourself through your elbow gap and recatch the hoop. I'll show you what I mean. From here, swing. I'm twisting my hips to the side that my hoop is on to make it easier. Gives me more space behind me. Drops onto the back of the hand, fingers pointing back, and carry. Once you're in this position, you're going to get stuck about here. And from here, you need to turn your palm up to the sky and rotate the hoop over and out. So I'll do that again from the front and from the back, talking you through it. So swing, fingers point back, drag the hoop behind, thumb points down, then into the head to re-grip the hoop, and using your pinky, so palm is now up, gripping the hoop, using your pinky, you're going to push the hoop really strong, out and over and around. I'll show you from the back. Swingity swing, across the body. Turn to face the hoop to give yourself a bit more space behind. I'm just turning my torso, my toes are still where they started. Onto the back of the hand, come through, thumb points down and in towards the head so that you can grab the hoop and then using the pinky push it out and around. Okay, one more time. Swing, slide, transition, and over. I'm going to show you in slow-mo from the back so you can really see what's happening with the hand. But the main thing to remember is that the thumb points towards the head when it's on the back of the hand. Then you want to rotate, thumb points down towards the head, down the spine, and in towards the head to end up in a palm up position so that you can then swing the hoop out with your pinky over and around. From the back in slow-mo. And I'll just do a really close-up slow-mo as well because I think that'll help. Alrighty, so once you've done this swingity swing, you might even, woo, bring the leg up, woo. We come out, fingers go to the back, hips face this way, toes face this way, onto the back of the hand, transition, around and swing out. From here, we're going to go straight into a back of the hand roll. So again, we use this swing. I want you to feel the hoop coming up into your thumb V. So if I show you from the side, it's landing right here. It's not a strong gripped move. I'm not controlling it like this. I'm letting the swing happen. And I want the hoop to naturally come up, hit the thumb V and come down. So there's a swing in it. It's a relatively loose grip. So this is the second move in this sequence. When it comes up and you feel it in your thumb V, you're going to roll the hoop across the back of your hand by going from this position, thumb V, to this position, and then catch. Looks like this. So thumb V, it's going across the back of the hand, thumb down to catch. Do it nice and close in slow-mo. Watch this hand. Alrighty, let's try and put those two things together. Actually, let's do 3 of those hand rolls first. So hop, 1, swing, swing back, swing again, let it go. Swing, swing back, swing again, let it go. The main thing if your roll's not clean is probably because you're not spreading your fingers enough. Keep the palm facing the ground. You want full contact, so it goes from touching the thumb beat all the way across. It feels super slinky and silky and delicious. If it's a throw, you're missing the back of your hand. We're going from a roll, so you want full contact. Like this, to this, to this. Pretend that hand wasn't there. It was invisible. All right, let's go. So, thumb points down, swingity swing. You can, bring the leg up if you want. Stop, fingers go back. Thumb points down to change the grip, brings it around, swings out, and boom, straight into that hand roll. From there, this is where we can add on our extra move. I'll drop a link to the tutorial for this move below in case you don't know it. From this landing position, you can switch so your thumb's pointing down and then drag it across in a horizontal iso slide, also known as a horizontal cat eye. Bam. So then our whole routine ends up looking kind of fancy. Looks like this. Woo! Woo! I just did that for fun. Let's do it one more time. And it looks like this. Woo! Swing, push, slide, unravel, swing, hand roll, flip the thumb, drag. In full speed ahead mode, I will show you what it looks like, and then I will show you in slow, slow, slow mode. All right, here we go. And slow-mo. Bam, there we have it. I hope you got it. Drop a comment below if you need a hand. As always, happy to help. If you enjoyed it and you want more tutorials as they drop, click subscribe, click the bell. It's gonna go ding when I drop something new. And happy iso combo, slidey slide, silky silky, rolly roll. Enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed this. Happy hooping.